Due to nutritional benefits, flax seeds are well known to the health-conscious people. Nowadays, many health experts and nutritionists recommend consuming a tablespoon of flax seeds per day. So, how does it help to maintain your health? In this video, I'll explain all the important health benefits and proper ways to use these seeds to get maximum benefits. Before starting, I request you, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification about a new video. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please follow this page for more health tips and remedies. Flax seeds are tiny brown or golden colored seeds, which are also known as linseed. These seeds are filled with essential vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. They contain a good amount of dietary fiber and plant-based protein. Flax seeds are also a rich source of vitamin C and vitamin B6, calcium, iron, potassium, and sodium. Overall, flax seeds can provide all essential nutrients for good health. Hence, it is used in the traditional cuisines of Asia, America, and Africa. There are many health benefits of flax seeds that can improve your health and quality of your diet. Let's explore them in detail. It reduces cholesterol level. According to a study conducted by the Department of Nutritional Sciences of Oklahoma State University, USA, the flaxseed is able to reduce the LDL cholesterol levels in postmenopausal women due to the presence of omega-3 fatty acids and lignans in the seeds. The soluble fiber of flax seeds also helps in maintaining proper gastrointestinal functions, and insoluble fiber helps to maintain heart health by lowering serum bad cholesterol level. It fights inflammation. Inflammation can lead to heart diseases, asthma, allergies, diabetes, and even certain cancers too. The omega-3 fatty acid is the most active agent that fights against inflammation in the body. Flaxseed is a great source of omega-3 fatty acid nutrient, which is found only in fish oil. So, for vegetarian people, these seeds are the only source to get omega-3 fatty acid. Prevents cardiovascular diseases. The omega-3 fatty acids can play an important role in protecting the blood vessels. Including this superfood in your diet will protect you from cardiovascular diseases. Lowers blood pressure. According to studies, the flax seeds have a natural ability to lower blood pressure, especially helpful for those with high blood pressure problem. Good for the diabetics. People suffering from diabetes are often recommended to consume flax seeds, as it contains a particular element by the name lignans that can keep the blood sugar level in control. Also, including flax seeds in your diet protects yourself from annoying symptoms of diabetes. Improve digestion. The presence of plant-based fiber in flaxseed helps in improving the digestion system by promoting lubrication and preventing constipation. It reduces cancer risk. Flax seeds contain a group of nutrients called lignans, which have powerful antioxidants and estrogenic properties. They may help in preventing breast and prostate cancer as well as other types of cancer. Good source of protein. Flax seeds are a good source of plant-based protein and can be an alternative protein source for people who do not eat meat. Helps to control weight. These seeds can also help in weight loss because they are rich in fiber and certain other healthy fats. It controls your appetite and reduces the feeling of hunger. So there is no need to eat unwanted snacks between 2 meals. Gradually, it improves the metabolic rate and reduces extra weight. Apart from these health benefits, it also is good for your skin, hair, and immunity. After knowing all the important benefits, now time to know how to consume it. There are various recipes available to add flax seeds in your diet. You can eat them in their raw form too, but they are more beneficial when you sprout or ground them into a tasty meal. When it is grounded or sprouted, your body can absorb the nutrients from flax seeds much easily. Grind the flaxseed in the powder form and add to milk, smoothies, cookies, bread, or pancakes. And lastly, you can prepare flaxseed gel and drink it regularly. Now, bonus tips for you. The preferable quantity to consume flaxseed is just 1 tablespoon, approximately 10 grams per day. However, you can consume up to 5 tablespoons of ground flax seeds per day. Whenever you consume flax seeds, please drink enough water. That is very important. Now let me know, how would you like to consume flax seeds? Because I like roasted one. What about you? Write your answer in the comment section. I hope this information has added some value to your life. If you like this information, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us and share this video with your friends and family. Stay fit and thanks for watching this video.